Download the installer from the official website. Click on the Download Now button to download a trial version. Once the installer is downloaded, open the installer. Select a preferred language. Read the agreement carefully and accept the agreement to continue. If you want to create a shortcut on the desktop, fill the checkbox. We have successfully installed the software. Now we will convert dummy OLM file with the software. To select the files, click on the Browse button. Here you can see a preview of data inside the OLM file. Check the data, and then click on the Export button. You can export file into PST file, EMLX file format, EML file format, MSG file format, and MBOX file format. When exporting in MBOX file format, you can export in single file or multiple files. But for now we will convert it into PST file. To ignore the empty folders, fill the checkbox. After that, click on the Browse button to select a location for the output file. Finally, click on Convert Now button to start the process. The process has completed. Here you can see that OLM file is successfully converted into EML file. You can use these files in any suitable platform or software. Purchase the full version from the official website to convert without limits. Thanks for watching.